Okay.
What book is this? Clap your hands. You ready? You ready? Clap your hands. Stomp your feet. Shake your arms. Take a seat. Rub your tummy. Pat your head. Find something yellow. Look on your sleeve. There's a yellow monster on your pajamas. Look, Dada. Find something red. Is there a red one? Reach for the sky. Wiggle your toes. Stick out your tongue. Touch your nose. Roar like a lion. Growl like a bear. Give me a kiss. Do you dare? Wiggle your fingers. Slap your knee. I'll tickle you if you tickle me. Find something big. Find something small. Spin in a circle. Try not to fall. Close your eyes. Count to 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now do a somersault across the floor. Spread your feet. Look upside down. Make a silly face. Make a silly face. Act like a clown. Hop like a bunny. Flap like a bird. Quiet as a mouse. Don't say a word. Tell me your name. How old are you? 2. Tell me a secret. And I'll tell you one too. Purr like a kitten. Bark like a dog. Crawl like a baby. Jump like a frog. Count your fingers. Count your toes. Wiggle your eyebrows. Wiggle your nose. Show me a smile. Show me a frown. Stand on one foot and jump up and down. Fly like an airplane, high in the sky. It's time to go now, so wave bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Very good. Very good.